Most people still think Canva's AI tools are hidden inside Magic Studio, but Canva quietly changed everything. They've now integrated powerful AI tools directly into the editor itself, making them much easier to find. So in this video, I'm testing every single Canva AI tool inside the new Tools menu, and trust me, a couple of these tools still shock me with how powerful they are. And make sure you stay until the end, because Canva's added one new AI feature that honestly feels like Photoshop on steroids. Let's get started.
All right, so today we're going to try some new things. First, I'll choose social media, but you can choose any of these. I'm going to choose a YouTube thumbnail, since that's what I'm familiar with, but you could use any of those. Next, I'm going to Elements, and I'll add this picture of food and enlarge it a little bit, but I'll leave it there in the middle like that. Now I'm going to introduce you to some tools inside Canva that I use all the time. If you've never used them before, you're really missing out. First, I'll click on the image here, then come up here to edit. Next, I'll come over here to the Tools section. I'll click on that so you can see them all. Some of these have a crown on them. That means they are paid tools. If they do not, that means that they're free to use. So we're going to talk about these tools. First, let's go to Magic Eraser. So click on that, and you have your choices. You can use the brush, or click on it and even text. I'm going to choose Click, and you see it'll highlight these areas. I'm going to choose this one right here and click on it. Next, hit Erase, and now it's working on erasing that. Wow! Now the tomato is gone, so that is perfect. So that is the Magic Eraser. The next one I want to talk about is called Magic Edit. Click on this, and now you can tell it what you want to change, or you can click on the brush and add something different. Let's go back. You can choose Click. Let me add this, and I'll see if we can turn a lemon into a lime. Click Generate, and now it's making those changes for me. And look at that! It changed those lemons into limes. So that was the Magic Edit tool. The next one I want to talk about is called Magic Expand. My image is highlighted. Now you've got choices. I'm going to choose Whole Page, and what it'll do is take this image, even though it doesn't fill the whole page, but it'll expand it so that it does fill the whole page. Click right there to see it in action. Plus, it gives you 4 images to choose from. And if you don't like any of them, you can always click here to generate new results. Look how it's added stuff around the edges. So for now, I think I'll choose that one. So there is my new image with all this extra stuff all around the edges added. So that is Magic Expand. The next thing I want to do is go to Magic Grab. Let's click on that. What Magic Grab does is it gives you the ability to pick something and move it around to another space, delete that thing, or make a change to it in some way. As you roll over this image, it allows you to choose or grab a part of the image and now put it wherever I want to. And if I wanted to grab something else, I could. This is the Magic Grab tool. Let's go back to Edit, then back to our tools. So that was Magic Grab. Now let's go to Magic Layers. Now this is definitely one of my favorites, and I use this one all the time. It is pretty new also, and right now it's free. So if you have a chance to use this feature, let me tell you, it is amazing. The things you can do with it, wow. So right now it's scanning the image. Remember, this is a flat picture, except for that one thing from before. Now it's done taking this whole image and separated it into different pieces, so that you can take any or all of them and move it around any way you want to. Now everything is on its own layer, so we can make pieces bigger, change the way it's pointing, or whatever. And if you click on Position, then on Layers, now you can see everything is on its own individual layer. So for example, if we wanted to play with this, we could, or move this around, etc. Okay, so all these are individual now, but before it was just one flat, static image. That is the power of Magic Layers, and it is truly, truly one of my favorite AI tools here in Canva. So now I'm going to click here and add a page. Let's go back to Elements and choose another image. I'm going to put man running here. Now I'll look at photos and choose this one right here. I'll enlarge it, and now I'm going to demo some of those other tools. So let's go back to edit. Now I'll try background remover. As long as your image is clicked on, just click on this, and instantly the background is gone. Amazing, right? So let's go to the next one, blur. If you want to add the blur on part of an image, you can do that. So it's definitely up to you. But this offers a few different options if you need blur on your image. Check this out. Autofocus will give you a chance to change where the focus is at on your image if you want to. Next up, face retouch. Click on that, and we'll blow this up a little bit to make it easier to see. Since this is such a tiny face, it's not going to have as big of an effect on here as it would if it were a close-up face shot, but you get the idea. Let's try background generator next. If we click on this, now you can describe a new background you want to appear behind your image. So let's generate one. So it's going to change the man from running outside in the woods to a more cityscape environment. Also, it will give you 4 images to choose from. If you wanted to redo it, you could always try something different and just hit generate. Next, click done when you're finished. So that was the background generator. In a minute, we'll try image to video, but first let's upscale this image because we haven't used this one yet. Just click upscale. And now you can see it does look much crisper. So that is the upscale feature. So the last one we'll try is image to video. I love this one. So click on this. Now you've got 2 choices. You can let the AI make it for you, or you can tell it exactly what you want it to do. I'm going to let the AI do it for me. It'll make a 5-second video. So let's click on that. Watch this. Amazing. And I'll add this to the design. And there he is in video form now, running. So we've transformed a static image into a video in just a few seconds. All these tools are inside the editing area of our design page. So come in here and play with these. You may not need all of them, but when you do need to use them, now you know what is in here and how they work. Have fun designing.
If you found this useful, hit that like button. It helps a ton. And if you want to get better at making AI videos that actually stand out, I've got another video right here you'll want to watch next.